This recipe for air fryer chicken breast stands out above the rest, and that's thanks to this delicious spice rub. It's savory, it's a little bit spicy, and it's perfectly balanced out with a bit of brown sugar. And then you want to pound your chicken breast in between two pieces of plastic wrap until they're nice and even. This will ensure the chicken cooks evenly. And then you want to rub your spice rub evenly over all the sides of the chicken breast. Cook for 6 minutes per side and let your chicken rest. That'll help keep it really juicy. Then slice it up and dig into perfect chicken breast. This recipe couldn't be easier to make, and you can get the full recipe at amindfulmom.com.